Dave Richards is a truly distinguished Texas lawyer, and it's great that the bar is honoring him tonight. He is the Texas labor civil rights lawyer of his era and has been involved in some of the biggest cases in the state.
I'm a roving gambler.
A 1957 graduate of the University of Texas Law School, David Richards never pictured himself actually practicing law. According to Dave, law is boring and politics is fun. But to support a growing family, Dave found a way to combine both, resulting in a 57-year career filled with some of the most far-reaching litigation in Texas history.
I would say that my dad was definitely interested in legal questions, but he was really driven by his convictions. He really believed that the law was there to help people, and he fought for people who were disenfranchised by the power structure through his entire career, and that is what he was driven by.
What makes Dave a good attorney is that he has a really keen mind. I mean, he's incredibly analytical, and then he's very competitive, and you put those two things together and you've got a lot of legal power.
I would describe him as warm and funny and ornery and just full of stories and life, and that you sort of being around him, you really see a lawyer who loves the law.
All of the big redistricting cases since the 1960s, right up until today, has been very active in redistricting, was active in the last round of redistricting litigation, and was the advisor, the legal advisor for the city's commission to draw the new lines for single-member districts.
And I would say that in our household, the refrain was, "Sue the bastards." And that really was about saying that the judiciary was here, it was created by the people, and it's for the people to help them.
I think what David taught a lot of young lawyers is you can do big things on the right side. He handled many big civil rights cases and the redistricting litigation, and showed that you could be a progressive and have a really fascinating, significant practice, and inspired a lot of lawyers to help a lot of people.
You know, the personal trait that I've learned from Dave is sort of the most important is really his sense of humor. I think that the only way that he's been able to keep practicing law for over 50 years and still enjoying it and loving every day is he knows how to kind of laugh at the situation and at himself, and he brings us all into that.
I mean, I would never have become a district judge if it wasn't for Dave Richards, and so his leadership really mattered.
You know, it's an honor to be his daughter. And I understand that he fought for those who couldn't fight for themselves, and he fought for one vote, one person. He fought for the school children of Texas to have equal funding, and he fought for employees who didn't have anyone to fight for them. He really has had a tremendous impact on people's lives, and for me, I don't think there's really anything more important.